Now it's installing. So let's hope it works in Windows because it goes to Microsoft MS-DOS. But anyway, the array of his third performance will network 35C-BG. For the Kapashakha, it particularly understands the life cycle to return home to the fortune. It will figure out the realignment of time for the sun. And in the sun, it bots itself into the division for the completion of Area 0109. To design day 10 by the interleave technology, it will win the console. In a matter of time, the reworking petition would generate 2324, which is the manuscript to reclaim itself into the division. The completion of area of 09, 06, 01, 05, 04 is aboard of the fifth moon, which may divert itself into the east side. The east side of the hemisphere, based upon the learning program, it will isolate 243, which is a pin-out point of even, ordered the third moon. The third moon may request the pyramid table for the sun. In time, the division for the completion of area of interest, based upon the realignment of time for the sun, it may burst to tears to heaven based upon the area of interest. In time, the division for the completion is area 0109 by the border of the fifth moon. The fifth moon may divert itself into the east side of the hemisphere. The learning program will isolate 2412, which is the border of the third moon. In the array of his third performance, it will rework the material to transcript itself into the division. This one here. Oh, this one working 3 screens. Strange. I hope this works. The dual boot. I'll be back. Install Ubiton 22.04. Okay, continue with that one. No. I don't know how to do this one. Sorry about that. Thank you.